Operators are at the heart of manufacturing, but with increased pressures for productivity, more products to support, more assembly options per product, and fewer operators in total, the job itself is highly complex and often almost impossible. They are asked to bring information together from a wide variety of sources like tools, machines, and ERP systems. They then assemble products with paper-based instructions and manually validate assembly in paper travelers. This results in inefficiency and inconsistency across production. Specifically, operators may rely on their personal preference over the printed work instructions. Assembly workflow is inconsistent across operators. Less experienced workers take a long time to upskill. Assembly instructions themselves may be out of date, and throughput and quality are impacted. The net result is lower overall production effectiveness, lower overall labor effectiveness, and higher scrap and rework. Companies need a fully digitized process that efficiently operationalizes information from a wide variety of sources. Information and insight to be pushed to operators in the context of the tasks that they need to perform, and to be reactive and responsive to new engineering and assembly changes as they become available. Enter Factory Insights as a Service, a SaaS-based offering from PTC and Rockwell Automation that leverages Microsoft Azure technology to reduce time to value for deployments at scale. The Connected Work Cell application included in this offering streamlines how information is delivered to operators by aggregating critical data from multiple data silos into a simplified visual application. It presents step-by-step work instructions with accurate, up-to-date information to drive efficiency, and links instructions to work orders and assigns resources, and validates proper execution to ensure quality. This replaces the need for paper-based travelers and manual quality data collection. Since the work cell now pushes the process and steps to operators, it makes the workforce more flexible, with lower need for upfront training and upskilling before being assigned to a new work cell. Integration provides bidirectional communication with connected tools to both download tool setting requirements and collect actuals for traceability. Flexible authoring enables companies to author work instructions manually or connect to PLM. The easy-to-use manual interface makes authoring and updating work instructions easy. Where companies leverage PLM to maintain the bill of materials, process plans, and work instructions, Factory Insights as a Service pulls this information into the operator application. Companies implementing the Factory Insights as a Service Connected Work Cell application have noted significant potential performance improvements, including 10 to 40% increase in worker productivity, 30 to 65% reduction in training time, 3 to 25% reduction in scrap, and significant improvements in safety incidents. For more information on Factory Insights as a Service, visit www.ptc.com/Factory Insights as a Service.